Dun, 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 dun. It's like Darth Vader's second birthday. All right, go ahead, open them, buddy. He's like, get that out of here.
Can I help you open this?
No. It's not time for that one. He's got the one he wants. I like how it's like a moving target for him.
Yeah.
Ooh. What do you have? Another train. What is it, buddy? Is it a Lego train?
Oh, Mama,
Open. Can you open your other presents first?
Look, there's some more over here. Can you open some of those too?
Let's see what it is.
So funny.
Rip.
Good job, buddy. You're doing it.
This is the wrapping paper.
What did you get?
Book. Mama. Oh, yeah. Mommy.
No more. How about more bears?
Can you say more bears?
Bear.
And what's the other book?
Push button.
Is it called Push Button?
Beep.
Push Button.
Bear.
More bears.
What's the other present? Can we open another present? Oh boy, I love presents.
Oh, yay.
Can I see it? Can you show it to me?
Mommy,
Open the last one. Open the last one. So cute.
He goes, oh yay. Okay, next present. Is it Darth Vader's shirt, Mommy?
Yeah.
Awesome. Help him a little.
Can you help him? Fucking help.
Okay, you do it now, Cuckoos. Let him do it.
Okay, let him do it.
What is it?
Mommy.
What is it? Look. It's so you can dress up. Do you want to dress up?
Can I dress up too?
What can he dress up as?
Mommy.
Oh, I'll open it in a minute. Who's this?
Dad.
Darth. Look, Daddy.
Oh, neat.
Dress up right now with it?
Agus, do you want to open your card? Here's your card. You want to open it?
He's like, no.
Oh, is there a train inside of it? Because if there's not, I'm not really interested.
No train. Sorry. Two. You got 2 eyes. You've got 2 ears, 2 hands, 2 feet, and now 2 years. Have a happy, happy birthday to the coolest little dude. We love you, Couscous. Happy 2nd birthday from Mommy, Daddy, Sophie, and Annika.
Can
Mr.
he
Man.
open it right now?
Of course.
And wear it?
He was like,
Present-O-Rama.